So guys, today I'm trying this really weird stuff. Bought it on Amazon. Everything's in Japanese. No clue if this is gonna work at all. Can't read a single thing on the label. But we're gonna see if we can catch a carp here. Never caught a carp before, and I'm seeing they're all throughout this lake, and let's see if this can do anything. Let's have some fun. Let's see if this weird red corn works. All right. Oh, it stinks. It stinks. It stinks really bad. But that's what she looks like. I'm gonna throw some on a hook and see what happens. It's already dyeing my fingers. I'm gonna bait up here, and then we're gonna toss out into this lake. All right, got my little weird red corn on. Let's have a little bait holder right here. Holder. Ground's so dry it's not even going in. I want to see if maybe I can even sight cast this. I see the carp right there. Maybe if that is actually giving off this stench, it's supposed to give off this crazy scent that these carp just want to eat up. It looked like that carp was going for it there for a second. Well, either way, I'm gonna cast in my second rod and see if this can put on some carp here. It looks like something might have my line. Something's moving. Something has it. Oh, we got one on. Can't get out of the rod holder. Oh, we got one on. Oh, we got a carp. We got a carp. Oh, we got a carp. Oh, yeah. You can run. Oh, this corn worked. That's so cool. That's so cool. He's gonna peel. He's gonna peel a little bit. Oh, this is gonna be a fun fight. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, we got you, baby. Oh, is that a catfish or a carp? Oh, no, it's just a big catfish. Oh, it's a big catfish. I thought this was a carp. Didn't peel drag like... Oh. See, now I'm shaking because I thought I had a carp on. Really, we just got ourselves a big old kitty. We got ourselves a big old kitty. Slimed up my line, buddy. Oh, he's a big old kitty cat. Buddy, you're pretty cool. I appreciates the fight. I appreciates the little bit of action you gave me. Oh, that's a big old kitty cat. Very cool, buddy. Oh, well, we'll see you later. Well, that was a fun fight. Let's see if we can get a carp on. All right. Along with my corn rig that I have out, I'm gonna throw a dough ball. I can sight fish some of these carp. Try to get one on here. Throw a dough ball. So I'm seeing a bunch of carp swimming right in here. So I'm gonna do, I'm just set these rods up right in this little dock area. See what happens. Oh yeah, there's a big kitty. Oh, there's a kitty. stock. All right, so carp's not working out. We're getting the catfish rolling. Just took it, baby. That was surprising. Very cool, buddy. Give you a little bit of breakfast. Oh, gosh dang, I don't want you to sting me. Well, you'll find your way back home. That's a big old kitty. See you, buddy. Thank you for the catch. So the red corn worked on a catfish, the bread worked on a catfish. I'm just gonna throw another dough ball out and yeah, just see if we can catch more kitties or see if a carp will hit this. All right, so honest review of this Japanese carp corn. Caught a catfish, which I also caught 2 catfish on a piece of Sara Lee, wheat bread. So I don't know if y'all want to try this or not. Maybe it'll work a little bit better. I don't know. I might try it again. I've got a few kernels in there left, but it has done absolutely nothing with carp. Turtles nibbled at it. This is silly. This is a silly thing. Try it if you want. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you ever tried it and it worked for you. Caught a carp, but got 1 catfish for me. What white bread's better. Anyway, everybody out there, best of luck. Keep tight lines. Remember, even Jesus had a fishing story.